The extent and frequency of extreme flooding as a result of coastal storms is expected to increase due to sea level rise, as long as the characteristics of storms do not change. This is held in very high confidence. The projected increase of hurricane intensity in the North Atlantic, held in medium confidence, could potentially increase the probability of extreme flooding along most of the U.S. Atlantic. This is also estimated to affect Gulf Coast states. This is significant because it could cause extreme flooding beyond what is predicted based solely on sea level rise. This information is based on several modeling studies of the characteristics of hurricanes in the future and the associated increases in major storm surge risk amplification. The frequency, extent, and depth of extreme event-driven coastal flooding are all predicted to increase as local sea level rises. These will increase regardless of a change in the characteristics of storms. However, changes in these characteristics could make coastal flooding worse. There is model evidence that the intensity of tropical cyclones and hurricanes will increase, as well as model evidence that the tracks of these storms will shift. This is a problem because it puts many of the United States coastal states on the Atlantic in danger of more extreme flooding.